What if I told you the universe is 13.8 billion years old and still expanding faster than we can measure? That's just the tip of the cosmic iceberg, my friends. Strap in. Today we're diving into facts that will completely change the way you think about space. We're talking about mind-bending concepts, objects so bizarre they make science fiction look tame, and mysteries that continue to puzzle even the brightest minds. Get ready to have your perception of reality, well, redefined. When we gaze up at the night sky, we're peering into a vast cosmic ocean. But here's the catch. We're only seeing a tiny fraction of it. The observable universe, the part we can detect with our telescopes, stretches for about 93 billion light-years. That's an unimaginable distance, but it's just a sliver of the entire universe, which might be infinite. Think of it this way. If the universe were a movie, we've only watched the opening credits. Who knows what epic stories unfold beyond our current view? Imagine a place where a single teaspoon of matter weighs more than Mount Everest. That's the reality of a neutron star, the collapsed core of a massive star. These stellar remnants are so incredibly dense that their atoms are crushed together, leaving behind a sea of neutrons. Just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. That's heavier than all the cars, buildings, and oceans on Earth combined. The human body might seem ordinary, but it's made of extraordinary stuff, literally. The carbon in our cells, the oxygen we breathe, the iron in our blood, these elements weren't created on Earth. They were forged in the nuclear furnaces of stars, billions of years ago. When stars explode as supernovae, they scatter these elements across the cosmos, seeding the formation of planets and ultimately, life itself. We are quite literally made of stardust. Chapter 4. A universe of stars more than we can grasp. Our sun might seem unique, but it's just one of hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. And the Milky Way? It's just one of hundreds of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. That means there are more stars out there than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth combined. If you could count every star at a rate of 1 per second, it would take you over 3,000 years to count them all. Chapter 5. Black holes, not your typical hole. Forget everything you thought you knew about holes. Black holes are in a league of their own. They're not empty spaces, but regions of space-time where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. What happens if you fall into one? Well, let's just say it wouldn't be pretty. You'd experience spaghettification, where the difference in gravity between your head and feet would stretch you like, well, you get the picture. Chapter 6. Bending Time and Space. Einstein's Revolution. Time and space aren't as straightforward as we once thought. Einstein's theory of general relativity tells us that massive objects like stars and planets actually warp the fabric of space-time. This warping is what we experience as gravity. And because gravity affects time, astronauts on the International Space Station actually age slightly slower than we do here on Earth. They're literally time travelers, albeit on a very small scale. Chapter 7. The Multiverse, Infinite Possibilities. What if I told you that our universe, vast as it is, might not be the only one? The multiverse theory suggests that there could be countless other universes, each with its own unique set of laws of physics and perhaps even different versions of ourselves. In one universe, you might be a celebrated musician. In another, you might be a talking cat. The possibilities are as limitless as the multiverse itself. Chapter 8. The End of the Universe. A cosmic fate awaits. Everything that has a beginning must have an end, and the universe is no exception. But how will it all end? Cosmologists have a few ideas. The universe could keep expanding forever, growing colder and darker until all stars burn out. Or it could collapse in on itself in a big crunch, the opposite of the Big Bang. We don't know for sure, but one thing's certain. The universe is far more complex and mind-blowing than we could ever imagine, and it's only getting more mysterious. Who knows what we'll discover next? Outrow keep exploring the cosmos. From the smallest atoms to the largest galaxies, the universe is a never-ending source of wonder and mystery. And the more we learn, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic journey. I hope it sparked your curiosity about the universe we inhabit. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel for more videos exploring the wonders of the cosmos. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring.